Alrighty, for alternator people. So this is a JAS alternator. It's been on the car for about 18 months, 2 years. It's a high output 140 amp for the 1HDFTE. I was away camping, had the camper trailer hooked up, so drawing a fair amount of current out of it. I had fridges running and things, and a bit of a smell to it, and then at idle it started dropping to about 12.2 volts. 2,500 RPM, it will come up to about 14 volts. So to pull it apart, it's a pretty easy process. You pull that little, this part normally sits up over here with the post sticking out. So you pull the little plastic plug off the post, you remove the back cover. There's like, I think 3 or 4 screws for that. Unscrew the brushes, they come off there, 2 screws. These are pretty easy to deal with. After that, you remove this little bit here, and then you're down to the rectifier itself. So if you have a gander under here, you can see that that diode started to lift. It's got a bit of weird color discoloration as well compared to the others, almost like it's cooked itself, and these are all looking a little bit hot. If you check the resistance between here, this post, and here, and these different diodes, then you get nothing back on these ones in any direction. So for $60 you can call these guys, JAS, and they will send out another one. Pretty quick and easy. It was my next day delivery. So I'll bolt it back on. I have tested the resistance between these, and this definitely gives resistance now. So that kind of confirms that this one was the busted one. So it should go back together pretty straightforward. I've already got another alternator sitting there, so or in the car. So this will be a backup. Bearings are still fine. Happy days.